Yo, I know what you might all be thinking, but y'all gotta understand that sometimes you gotta eat a tamale split into 2 tacos. You understand what I'm saying? So what we do here on the YB channel, we sometimes, you see, we eat a tamale, split it into 2 tacos. Now I know I'm supposed to be showing you some pantless dent repair, but this is what I'm eating right now. Like, I'm a small YouTuber. I'm trying to catch you guys' attention. Get with me!
Hi guys, welcome back. One more time, I just wanna let you guys know that I got a freaking dope ass shirt on. It's like a XL or even like a double XL, but I like my shirt. It's pretty baggy. It's got a lot of this cool stuff on here. You know, anything I see, I'm inspired by, you know, maybe I'll implement it in some LYB gear. We'll see. Not like direct rip-off, but I take influences from everything. That's what art is. So, yeah. With that said, I'm gonna go ahead and do some maybe PDR work. Unfortunately, I didn't bring my memory card to work today, so I wasn't able to really edit a whole lot. Or I wasn't able to edit today's vlog, but I'll end up coming back here tonight and editing it just so you guys can get it maybe tonight or even in the morning. But we're doing daily vlogs. I don't want to go super hard during the week, but something like how this week was. Hopefully we get Alonzo on track and everything. He's really getting a lot of parts. I'll go ahead and throw up a screenshot. That's just incredible. Shout out to you, man. Really appreciate you doing all that, just like hustling. He's really putting in the work behind the scenes right now so that you guys can have some amazing content. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do some PDR work. If you guys don't know what that is, it stands for paintless dent repair. Yeah, and it's a profession. So if you are a professional PDR guy, just know, I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. I don't know at all what I'm doing. And if you are a professional body guy, I kind of know the basics of body work. So my car's not a good example of that. But yeah, I just want to turn on the camera and give you guys a little intro because I'm going to probably, like, I don't know, make dinner and do a little other stuff here and there. But I just want to say hi, check in with you guys. Hope you guys are all doing well. You guys have notifications on and you guys are watching this real time. It might be Friday for you as well. Wrapping up the week here. You guys, honestly, if it weren't for you, I always say I would do this with one viewer, but if it weren't for you guys' support, you know, I wouldn't be doing this, you know, like, that's why I do it. Before we get started on working on the 30, I'm going to freaking, I gotta eat something, you know, I think about some Mexican. I got a taco here. Check it out. Yummy, about to eat it. Oh, no, just kidding. Alright, we're gonna put the taco away. So, yeah, no, but for real, if it weren't for you guys, this is why I do this, basically, and that's why I want a genuine audience. That's the next step, you know. First step was freaking getting daily vlogging down, getting a good lifestyle, slowly improving, you know. We're out here, like, I'm slowly getting better, you know. I think we're on the right track, for sure. And yeah, so yeah, let's go ahead and check out some of the options for what I've got to eat here. I got some freaking Alfredo here. Got some boom bop, bop, some, I don't know. We got some, you know, cheese and stuff too to go with that. It just, so many decisions. I honestly might just eat a couple of meatballs. These are good. I don't know, save these for another night. Before we get down there, I could eat some cereal, honestly. I don't know if I said this or not, but I gotta go pull out my mom's car with a flagpole in the cool car, so let's go do that. So yeah, I will end up just posting tonight, and then I'm still gonna stay on track. I just missed posting yesterday because I ended up passing out last night. I guess apparently I was pretty tired. Ended up sleeping on the couch by accident. Accidents happen. But yeah, I ended up making up for it because I woke up early and I'm about to go for a run. Getting healthy, you guys, like, seriously, here now. slowly progressing here. That's the whole objective of this channel, is to show you basically how to improve your life, you know? Like, we're all human and I'm not perfect. That's why I pass out on the couch, but you know, I was like, I'll make up for it by getting up a little early. So I did get like a half-hour sleep, so that's not too bad. But we out here. I'm gonna go let you know how far I ran. Currently 9 o'clock right now. I'm gonna go pick up some AirPods, so shout out to you, Dad. So yeah, let's go do that. I ran pretty far today, so that was pretty sick. I posted a picture of a big wing on my Instagram. Go ahead and follow it right up here. And a lot of you guys said that you didn't think it was a good idea and it would look ugly, but I don't know, it almost makes me want to do it some more. I would get it bumper mounted. So basically mounted from here, boom, big ol' wing. I'm actually pretty surprised I was able to get these considering they closed at 9, but shout out to you, Dad. Can't wait to open them. Let's go ahead and check them out. I'm also gonna still pull out those dents in case if that's why you clicked on this video. We out here, LYV gang. Woo! Yeah, we're gonna do a quick unboxing of this guy right here. Don't know really what to expect. Don't really have any fingernails. Get this plastic off. The main reason he got this was because they made it a law here in Arizona, like, to not really talk on the phone. So, you know, I don't want to chance it, so pop, pop, pop. Someone calls me. Doo-doo-doo-doo. Hopefully I don't get copyright from Juice WRLD. Ooh, plastic. Alright, headphones. Oh, designed by Apple in California. Oh! Okay, well, yeah, okay, there you go. Ooh. Ukulele, AirPods, watch. How can I use it with the watch? I got a watch. Split stuff, anything below here. Hey! Stop it! She's clawing at the freaking, oh, that's right. I was just petting her, so my eyes are bugging. But, she's clawing at the freaking thing there, the stairs, because she wants me to probably give her some. Oh, I can always use those. Are these longer now? No. I could always use brand new ones. And my dad just gave me another one, so wow. I mean, I could use all. I just love the original OG. All right, let's just jump right into this freaking thing. Let's not make this vlog too fluggy. Oh. What is going on here? Oh, well, you kind of need this, right? To charge it. Boom. What is this? Is this the button? What do these do? I don't know. Sorry, camera died. But yeah, I'm an idiot because those are the hinges. But let's. I was thinking to myself, how do you? These are so wow. Oh, there's a light in there. Okay, don't focus, but whatever. They're so delicate. I would not want to really keep these like. I'm gonna get these dirty if I hope I don't. So little. I was thinking to myself, hello. Still speakers on them. I was thinking like, how do you like turn them up? Like, you know, like most you could turn up and stuff. Subtle flex. I don't know how to do this now. So, got them in my ear. This is weird. It does kind of like, I don't know, kind of fit your ear better than like, I don't know, like the older ones I almost want to say. You know, as they should, because the ones before that, oh, and there's like extra little dots on here too. I feel like maybe it's, I hope it's like more subwoofery. That would be freaking dope. I'll let you guys know. I'm gonna put a pretty bassy song here. So much going on. Do I have to plug them in? Oh, look, they're searching. Look at the white dot now. Ah, see? Ah, yeah. Whoa, that went away. Go away. Open again. Oh yeah, connectivity yeah. Oh, I keep closing it. I'm a fucking dum-dum. Connect. Yes, of course I want to connect. Yeah, that's all you gotta do. Apple makes things really easy. Yep, it wants to connect on my face because that's the setting I have. I don't know what to tell me. Should I just hit done? These are at 76%. Come on, Apple, you should charge these some more for me. Yeah. Oh shit. Alright, so which song should we play, guys? Oh, I thought it was just a shirt, honestly. I saw somebody wearing it recently. Ooh, okay. Ooh, it already feels loud. I usually have my other headphones turned up pretty loud. Hit him in the head, give him a welcome back. I just woke up. I'm about to knock my mom's bike over. Yeah, I keep doing that. It was late last night. I need to get like cracked hours of sleep, but at least I'm kind of like filming in the mornings and making like a puzzle piece vlog, whatever. Let's for real take this car out and swap it with the E30. So many transitions for one thing. And here's another transition for that previous transition. Alright, sorry, I did end up getting freaking sidetracked there, but I ended up cleaning the garage a little bit. Like, man, look at that. I mean, how can anyone disregard a clean garage? I ended up moving all the boxes that were right here. As you can tell, up there. Just, you know, stack things up nicely. How could anyone get upset? If you're watching this, Mom, or I'm gonna make you watch this and just show you how clean your garage is now. I mean, how could anyone get upset at this? It's more room, you know, just in general, for the bikes and stuff. Cool. So now that I got that out of the way, I have some freaking I got some PDR tools right here. We got this guy right here, so we're gonna put that right here. We got some of these guys, that's pretty sick. We're gonna put that right there. We got a hammer too even, so that's fucking dope, you know. We got hammers. We're not gonna end up using a lot of that stuff. You know why? Because all I really need is this one right here, along with this thing right here, and then we're gonna go over here, right? We're gonna hot glue something, and by something, I mean this. This is a something. We're gonna pop. It's called a slide hammer. Haha. I wonder where they got that name from. And yeah, so basically I'm gonna do that. Might do a little time lapse. And I'm gonna go more in depth on how to do it. But that's just my quick version of showing you pulling out small dents without really sanding them down, using a stud welder, which creates holes, creates waves, creates little bumps, creates bodywork, creates Bondo dust, Bondo painting, etc. Hence the name PDR, Paintless Dent Repair. So yeah, let's get into it. This is my 84 BMW. Plan is to drift it. Fortunately, got some hail, as you can see here. Let's go ahead and see if the camera can pick it up a little better. There you guys go. That's a big one that really annoys me, so let's see if we can get that one at least a little better, along with a lot of these other majority of these ones. Got some daylight, even though, even as a Prius, that's dope. even though I got the garage shut, but it's nice to use it in, you know, just in general as a YouTuber. So with that said, let's go ahead and get cracking. Let me show you some PDR pulling. Bah!
Yo, I know what you might all be thinking, but y'all gotta understand that sometimes you gotta eat a tamale split into 2 tacos. You understand what I'm saying? So what we do here on the YB channel, we sometimes, you see, we eat a tamale, split it into 2 tacos. Now I know I'm supposed to be showing you some pantless dent repair, but this is what I'm eating right now. Like, I'm a small YouTuber. I'm trying to catch you guys' attention. Get with me. Hit. Now you see, I took my first bite here, but it did fall apart. But you know what they say? When it's sloppy, it's good. Now that's what I'm talking about. Now this accent's not freaking turning you on to turn on the freaking subscribe button. I don't know what else will. You know what? I just might as well just take off my shirt is what I'm gonna do. What these tacos can do to you. You eat one of these a day or 2 even, you can look like me. So with that said, you know what to do. Let's get in this paintless dent repair. Yo, check out these sick ass fucking comic books, you guys. Like, I don't know. I might look up to see if any of these are worth anything on eBay. I doubt it, but they're just sick in general, so I don't know. Let me know down in the comments if you guys recognize any of these, but I do love Pokemon. Alright, so as you can see here, it's slowly coming out. I'm going to just apply it just very much in the center, as you can see. I'm gonna make sure it's completely dry. I'm not sure yet. I'm gonna let it dry some more. Cool, now I got my slide hammer here, as you can see. Oh, whoa. Stepping on shit. As you can see, I got my slide hammer. And we're gonna go ahead and boom bop it. Without burning yourself with the glue gun. Grab one hand here and just, see that came out? Not supposed to do that, but it is flat. I actually got that out perfect. Well, not perfect, but it is quite a bit better. I can't really see anything, like I said earlier, just to show you guys that I can do it without, you know, sending it down and doing Bondo. But I might do a little bit here and there because it is a drift car. And I'm not trying to sit here for hours and hours, but I am gonna do that off camera. Go around the major ones and just do that. So yeah, check it out. Bye!